the documents students need to carry while flying to the United Kingdom. Below are the documents students need to carry while flying to the United Kingdom. Original 10th, 12th and bachelor's mark sheets and passing certificate. Original degree/provisional certificate. IELTS score/MWA certificate if they have provided to university. In case university has waived English proficiency test on the basis of interview or 12th English score and students have not taken, then no need to carry. Printout of the CAS. Passport copies. Accommodation contract proof with address and contact number. Photocopies of all the financial documents they have provided at the time of visa application. Original TB medical certificate. Copy of the offer letter. If a student is under 18, then consent letter from parents. Bank loan letter. At least 20 passport size photographs with white background. Receipt of all the fee payments students have paid to the university. Always ask students to carry one spare phone with them. Please ask them to call their parents as soon as they reach the airport and their accommodation. SIMs are easily available at the airport. Ask students to buy a SIM from the airport only. They should carry an international debit card and at least £1,000 to £1,500 with them. Universities will verify their original documents in the United Kingdom before they start their classes physically. Please ask students to get 2 sets of photocopies done for all the above-mentioned documents. 1. They should leave 1 set of photocopies of the documents at their home in India. 2. Second set of photocopies should be kept in the luggage bag. 3. Ask students to carry all the original documents in their handbag. Also very important to note, if a student is under 18, then the local guardian should accompany them in the United Kingdom at the time of BRP collection. Thank you. https://www.applybot.com/partners/highprofiles